how to connect Python to MetaTrader. Basically, the initialization between both or the connection between both. So over here, there is a method or steps. So connecting to MetaTrader 5. So once the package is installed, you can connect Python to MT5, and there are three methods to do so. So first is the automatic connection. So if you're using the initialize function without any parameters, the MT5 package will attempt to locate your MetaTrader 5 platform and establish a connection automatically. Next is to specify terminal path. So you can provide the path to MetaTrader 5 terminal exe file to explicitly point the script to the platform. And finally is to provide credentials. So this method involves applying your login credentials, including the account number, server name, and password. So they'll use this third method as it ensures you are logged into the correct demo account for testing purposes. Even if the MT5 platform is not running, the initialize function will launch and connect automatically. So for example, you have this coding over here. So for the code explanation, so the import as first, so importing the MetaTrader 5 package and alias it as MT5, then package info. So the script first prints the author and version of the MetaTrader 5 package for reference, and you can see that the MT5 package is developed by MetaQuotes Ltd. And finally, connection initialization, so login, server, and password. And finally, connection termination. So by calling mt5.shutdown, the connection is finally terminated. So if the connection is unsuccessful, the last error function will be captured and display the error code. On the other hand, if the connection is successfully established, it will be confirmed by the print statement connected to MT5. But hopefully one of these methods can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.